Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to fix we cannot send a text message to this phone number on Twitter. First thing that you need to do is just open your phone settings, just tap this setting option, and from here just go to mobile network, tap and go to SIM management. And as you can see here, I have two SIM numbers or SIM card here. Okay, what you need to do is just turn on these two toggle options here. Or if you are using a single SIM only, and then you need to turn on that also for you to be able to send or receive a text message. Or else if you are in a closed area or closed environment, what you need to do is to go outside of that place because it may disrupt a signal that allows you to send a text message. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this will help you a lot, and keep following and subscribe for this video for more video tips. Thank you guys.